I kind of explained that I did not and moved on. Soon after, I was standing near the ice cream freezer with a shopping basket in my hand when a college kid asked me if the store carried a certain brand of ice cream. I showed her my basket and explained that I didn't work there, but realized that my outfit totally made me look like I did. We both had a good laugh about it and started looking for the ice cream brand together. While we were looking, an older woman stalked up to me and yelled, "You've been helping her long enough. Now show me where the dog food is." I held up my basket, now with several boxes of popsicles in it, and explained that I did not work there. She got really upset and told me that even if I was on my break and shopping, I still had to help her. I slowed my speech down and said, "I do not work in this store." Well, that set her off. She stormed off to find a manager and get me fired. The college kid next to me laughed through the whole thing and told me to post it here. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.